You can wait too close to me. Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longgas, and today I'm going to show you how to make Korean cucumber kimchi we call Oi-Sobagi. I'm actually going to show you two different kinds. One is the traditional way of making Oi-Sobagi, which is cutting the cucumber fourth like this, filling up the kimchi sauce, or cutting into like a Kkakdugi style, which is, you know, Kkakdugi, the Korean radish kimchi, like a little square radish kimchi, cutting cucumber that way and making kimchi that way too. So I'm gonna show you both ways. The recipe is exactly the same, just cutting the cucumber part is a little different, but I'm gonna show you both, so tune in. I've been cutting Persian cucumbers for my Oi-Sobagis. It's just cut them in half and give them two slits, like a little X or cross, and make sure you don't go all the way through, but leave about half inch, at least a half inch attached, so we can fill it up, all the filling inside. And for Oi-Sobagi, for this shape, this Persian cucumber or Korean cucumber will be the best cucumber to do it because they are nice and skinny. The seeds are not that strong. They are delicious and super easy to eat because of the size and the skin and the seeds. Everything is perfect for this type of kimchi. But for Kkakdugi version, I will explain later more, but you can use any type of cucumber for that version because you don't have to cut the cucumbers such a certain way, and we're gonna remove the seeds, and you can remove the skin if you want. So that many different reasons, I highly recommend you to use Persian cucumber or Korean cucumber for this Oi-Sobagi version, or the Kkakdugi version, you can use whatever cucumber you wanna use. I brought 6 cups of water to boil and going to add 1/3 cup of Korean kimchi sea salt. If you don't have a kimchi sea salt, you can use whatever sea salt that you have in your hand, but Korean kimchi sea salt obviously is made for kimchi, so I highly recommend you to try it because it really makes a huge difference, the salt quality. So boiling salted water, we are going to straightly pour into cucumber. Yes, let me explain after I did it. Make sure they are all evenly covered with the salted water. So this technique makes cucumber crunch for a long time. So after you make kimchi, putting all the sauces and putting in the refrigerator for a few days, few weeks, few months even, the cucumber will remain the crunch vibe. Can you believe? Like whoever discovered this, like probably like Joseon era, some people, or I don't know who did it, but you're a genius. Soak the cucumber in a hot salted water for 30 to 40 minutes, and meanwhile we are going to make the filling, the kimchi sauce. It's so delicious. So you need about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. That's about like, I would say 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, and about an ounce of chopped ginger. We don't need too much ginger in our cucumber kimchi. We just need a little bit, tiny little bit for the flavor. 1 red chili. This is actually optional for the color. Why my trash can is so far? So red chili is optional. I'm actually using for the color. If you wanna have still the red color, but you don't wanna pump it up the spiciness, go ahead and remove the seeds of the red chili, or use red bell pepper and cutting really nice and thin. And some carrot. I hide it too right down here. You could just julienne it by the knife, but this tool right here makes my job so much easier, so I'm just gonna use it. My mom actually got this for me in local Korean grocery store, so check out your local Korean grocery store if they have something like this. Or use your mandolin and a handful of chive. Cut them into about 1 inch long. All right, to the sauce, we will need 1/2 cup of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. You can easily find this any local Asian grocery stores or online. So yeah, must have it to make kimchi. You cannot substitute gochugaru with gochujang. Let's make that clear. Tablespoon of salt. 이거 좀 뜯어놔주지. And 3 tablespoons of 연두. Yeondu is a Korean fermented sauce from the vegetables, gluten-free. This is a great substitute for soy sauce or fish sauce. I've been using Yeondu for my fish sauce substitute and I've been really happy. So if you're looking for something fish sauce substitute, I highly recommend this. You can find this in Korean grocery store or online. I will put the link down below. 1 tablespoon of maesilaek, Korean green plum extract. I will put the link down below where you can purchase exactly this one that I'm using, or I have a recipe that you can make. It's in season. The season is about to done, so go ahead and hurry up and make it right now. Hopefully this recipe goes up before. Probably season is over by now. But anyway, you can still see how I made it. Tablespoon of sugar. I know it looks quite dry kimchi sauce, but remember how much water cucumber contains. You don't want the cucumber kimchi sauce to be too wet, otherwise it will be cucumber kimchi soup. All right, this kimchi filling is good. Now my cucumber is ready too, so I'm going to just drain them, rinse under cold water at least 3 times so we can, rinse off all the salt water from the cucumber and drain completely. My cucumber is drained about 15 minutes now. I'm going to slowly fill these cucumbers. Like you see, like they open their legs like this, like little octopus. So we're gonna fill our kimchi filling into the cucumber. How easy is that? And you just place this in an airtight container and repeat. Like perfect amount of filling and the cucumber. This is like legit. Look at this measurement amount that I'm giving to you. 우선 measurement만 따로 어떻게 공부하고 온 사람 같아. 전공했어. 뭐가 더 예뻐? 얘가? 얘가 더 예뻐? 네가 원래 보고 자란 게 이거였어 그래.
네, 보고 생각해.
쟤는 뭔가 저렇게 있으면 안 될 것 같지? 애들 눕혀야 될 것 같지? 저렇게 놓으면 할머니한테 혼나는데. And this kimchi is done. You can actually eat it right now if you want to. Or this is airtight container, so put the lid and leave it outside in your kitchen counter room temperature for a day or 2 to your taste, and they will be super delicious. So eat it while it's crunchy and fresh and delicious, not overly fermented. It's summertime, you must try with the seasonal delicious cucumber. I'm gonna taste one. Bite into where cucumber is like whole, like holding everything. Just bite into that. And the whole thing will become 4 pieces like this. It's so yummy. Okay, let me show you how to make the cucumber kkakdugi, Oi-Kkakdugi kimchi, because it's actually a lot easier to make it. You can use like regular American cucumber, English cucumber, Persian cucumber, or Korean cucumber for that. So if you can find only English cucumber or American cucumber, cucumber kkakdugi is way to go. And this is how I did. I'm going to use the English cucumber, and I washed them already and cut them into quarter and lengthwise. If you are using American cucumber, go ahead and peel. Carefully with your knife, remove the seeds, then cut them into bite sizes about 1 inch long. It'll be same technique and same recipe. 맛있어. 맛있어. 밥이랑 먹어야 되는데. Where's my rice? 너 김치 이거 안 익은 것도 먹어봤어? 밥 한 숟갈이랑 줄까?
아, 밥은 없어도
밥을 한 숟갈 먹으면
괜찮네.
가만히 있어.
Doesn't that normally have fish sauce in it?
내가 먹고 싶어서 그래.
Huh?
어?
Doesn't that normally have fish sauce in it?
Yeah?
I like it better without it.
You do?
It's not as like pungent. 뭐 먼저 드세요?
너 먼저 먹어. Jacob, you too?
네. Never thought you would ask.
You came way too close to me. Oh, because I was doing roll for the challenge.
You did the 1 day roll for the challenge.
One day was enough.
I mean, I'll take another bite.
Is it? One day was enough? Is it?
You start with,
Now it is.
you start with 1 day, then you move to 2 days.
Mm.
That's really good. Mess style.
So what's a good dinner like that people eat when they're on a raw diet? Like I get the
Salad?
breakfast and stuff, that's easy to do raw, but
Salad?
salad?
But they make salad and they call something else.
Huh?
Like they call it a ramen or they call it pad thai,
Huh?
but it's just salad. This cucumber kimchi is actually perfect for your barbecue party or outdoor cooking. Since everything is slowly opening back up, maybe you can make this for your small friends, family gathering for the potluck or stuff like that. It's perfect. Everybody will love it. This pairs with any meal that you prepare. Personally, just this and rice is enough for me. But however you wanna eat, it's up to you. 뭐야? So delicious. Summertime must try recipe. If you guys liked my video, thumbs up. If you guys didn't like the video, still subscribe to see what's up. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Bye.